I'm Diamond Master Miss Ann Dimas from Bondo Cup Center. Thank you so much. Okay, I remember when I was the center head of Bondo Cup Center because I just passed it to one of our active Diamond Master, Ma'am Ruth Balunglong. And I think that was last year that Bondo Cup Center was awarded as the best center. I think that was the month of January. And then one of our new member told me, oh, you got the first reward. The next reward will be a boyfriend. But I said, I guess like, I like this pin better than a boyfriend. Okay, but anyway, Lord willing, Okay, so, okay, but anyway, Atomian, actually I'm here. I was given like a few minutes to give you encouragement and motivation why we have to do Atomy business. When I was like 4 months old here in Atomy, I was promoted as sales master. And after 5 months, I was promoted as diamond master. So I remember our Imperial Kim Sung-il, he came to Baguio and he gave me an award, and that is 50,000 peso. Can you imagine like Imperial Master are getting a lot of like 5 million and above, and they're going to give you 50,000. Parang barya lang sa kanila yun, di ba? So I miss him a lot. I hope I could be able to see him again. But anyway, time will come maybe, okay? So, but anyway, so this is one of the moment that I had been waiting for. To become auto sales master is not easy, but I was able to make it. First and foremost, it is because of God's grace. Everything is about God's grace. That when you wake up in the morning and you prepare things and you go out with your partners, active na mga partners to have demo, you have to travel like 6 hours, 7 hours, and you have to matutulog ka sa, kung saan ka matutulog, okay? Basta matulog ka. It's all about God's grace. But I was able to make this one because of my dear partners. My partners from La Trinidad, from Bontoc, from Santiago, from Quirino, and also from Casibo. Thank you so much. I cannot make this one apart from you. So now, yung speaker natin kanina sabi niya, if you became auto sales master, the next thing that you have to do is to promote your partners. Imagine, pag lahat po tayo auto sales master, it's like you are earning 80,000 monthly po yun, 60 to 80,000 monthly. And you are not even like selling any single coffee. I am not selling any single coffee. My mom is the one selling coffee in the store, but I am not selling. She is the one bringing out the money para magkaroon po siya ng ganansya, but I am not doing that one. But now I am providing for them. Kunti pa lang man, pero little by little, step by step, I want also to share my life scenario. Hindi ako nakapag-share ng life scenario ever since, but sooner I want to do that one. Because I want to show you ano po yung dream ko sa aking family. Okay po? So now, I started with one commission lang po. Minsan sabi natin, I spend like 30,000 to become an agent. Now I only have one-time commission. Mind you, kung wala ang peso, wala ang 10 peso, wala ang 100, di ba? Alam po ba ninyo that all our Imperial Master, nag-start po sila ng 2,000, nabutan po ninyo ang 2,400, nabutan namin 2,400, 2,300 like that. They all started like that. Pero sa atin kasi, kung meron tayo ngayon, pero sabi natin, konti lang naman yan, why should I do this kind of business? It's nothing. If that is your thought right now, I know na alam ko po na yung iba sa atin, hindi pa natin naintindihan yung tinatawag natin na auto sales master. Pero pag punta na kayo sa point na yun, doon lang ninyo naintindihan, this is Atomy Vision. It's the passive income. Okay po? And can you imagine you can give that one until third generation sa inyong mga anak? I told to one of my vision, I think it was last week sa Zoom, sabi ko, don't you know that I can fill up now the inheritance form? Even though kahit lang sabihin mo na 80 or 60 or 80, it's something for us Filipinos, right? It's already more than big enough. Sooner or later, death is inevitable. We don't know, di ba? But you can write down. Submit to HQ. Hindi ko alam, panotarize ba yan sa lawyer? This is the vision. All company mo to, lahat po ng speaker dito, this is the finale. And to me is true. It can happen to you. Huwag lang po tayong mag-give up. I have to admit that many times, I just wanted to go home. If I failed, nag-demo kami, isang sponge lang ang nabili. And you have to travel long, di ba? But then you come so tired. But then the following day, pupunta siya, yung nagdemohan mo, I will buy Medicook set. Is that something? Do not underestimate ang isang sponge, isang toothbrush. It can make you rich, di ba? Who is brushing teeth here? Sino nang nagtutoothbrush dito? Lahat po tayo, di ba? Sino naghuhugas ng plato? Alam po ba ninyo, sabi nila, pag ang lalaki naghuhugas ng plato, lalong gumugwapo, di ba? Kaya dapat ang lalaki. So I like guys washing dishes. Okay. Okay, but anyway, totoo po yun. Sa lahat po tayo, gamit natin ating mga product. Kahit naghuhugas ka ng plato, yayaman ka po. Imagine mo, lahat ng tao sa buong Baguio maghuhugas ng plato, di ba? Ano ka na ngayon? Auto sales master po tayo. Lahat ng taga Baguio, lahat ng taga Manila, nagkakapi po sila. Auto sales master na tayo. So, but one thing that I want to, before baba ako sa stage, Auto SM is a good news, tama po? I remember when I was new, and then nag-attend po ako ng Success Academy sa Manila. And that time, andun po si CEO. Siya po ang nag-award sa amin nung na-promote kami na bagong sales master. Sabi niya, you know what? Being imperial is good. But far above being imperial, sino po yun? Ang Panginoon. So, Hangil Park shared to us the good news. This is good news because it can give you and your family yung financial stability. But far above anything else, it is God. It is God. Everything comes from God. Yung sabi ko kanina, paggising mo pa lang, it is all about the grace of God. Yung pin na ito, thank you to all my partners, but this is the grace of God. Grace po ito ng Panginoon. And I believe that if the Lord will bless the work of our hands here in Atomy, I believe na makakayanan po natin. I am not a perfect sponsor to my partners, kung ano pa yung pagkukulang. The good thing is that we work as a team, di ba? So we fill out kung ano pa may yung weakness ng isa't isa sa atin. But if we will work as a team, I believe that sooner or later, magiging auto sales master din po tayo, and you're going to receive this kind of pin. So thank you so much for listening, and to all these things, to God be the glory.